Here comes your pre-market summary for Tuesday, June 20th. Futures back in negative territory this morning as we head into a holiday shortened week. Hope everyone enjoyed your long weekend. We're back at it, though, this morning with Fed speak on deck. We have EV makers moving around once again. Chinese stocks right across the board, ADRs to the downside. Here's how futures are setting up right now. 0.29 in negative territory currently, 0.33 for the Dow. The NASDAQ, about 0.25% in the red as well. TSX here in Toronto, futures anyways, pointing to a lower open. A little bit of positivity for Bitcoin and Ethereum to kick things off. If you remember, way back on Friday, we ended the day downside a little bit, coming back into some support levels for both the S&P and NASDAQ overall. But big, ugly red candles formed at the end of the session. As far as individual movers this morning, we'll keep an eye on these. ADRs downside across the board. People's Bank of China cutting their key lending rate less than expected overnight. So that came out affecting all of these individually. Alibaba naming a new CEO, current CEO and chairman out. New one on the way back in. So Baba downside as well on that. About 2% only, though, here in the pre-market. PayPal to the upside this morning on this. KKR announcing a new multi-year relationship with the payment provider for European pay later receivables, multi-billion-dollar deal coming through for PayPal. So we'll have a look at PYPL. Google moving around here this morning a little bit, back downside. Quite the support level developing here around 122, 122.5 for Alphabet. Overall, they're going to look to move some of their Pixel production to India following Apple in doing just the same. Spotify to the upside. Very, very light volume, but if you remember, one of the stronger ones on Friday to the upside, breaking out of this consolidation finally. But they apparently are going to announce a new premium tier that will include hi-fi audio as well. So get set for that coming through from Spotify. Automakers in general downside a little bit this morning. U.S. lawmakers suggesting that all of them should stop relying so much on China and the Chinese market overall. Individually, Hyundai coming through, the latest to join the Tesla charging network, it would appear. We touched on Intel a little bit on Friday, another $33 billion, this time going into Germany. We'll have a look at Intel shares once again. A little one moving around here. Lucy, innovative eyewear to the upside, new deal that's going to team them up with the likes of Reebok. So Lucy up sharply here, pre-market. Grab the watch list, guys. Use that QR code. Bottom right corner right now. We're coming up at 8:30. We'll see you then on TraderTV.Live.